Hello everyone, hope you all doing well. Today's topic is very interesting. We use this concept in our day-to-day life. Let's see what is the concept and where do we use it. And we will learn the different ways of solving the problems related to the concept. Do watch the video till the end and like the video and do subscribe if you are not done till. I hope you will enjoy this video too. For more videos, subscribe to my channel, click the bell button and hit a like. You will also find the links of my other videos in the description. In our day-to-day life, we buy many things. We buy pens, pencil, clothes, etc. Many more things we buy. Here I have a pic of a pen. The cost of this pen is 410 rupees. Suddenly if anyone asks what is the cost, we will say, we just say 400 rupees, right? And this pen, the cost of this pen is 9 rupees. If anyone asks, generally we say 10 rupees instead of 9 rupees. And if the cost of the pen is 49 rupees, what we might say? We will say 50 rupees. So what are we doing here? We are increasing or decreasing a few rupees and then we are giving the replies, right? What is this? This concept is called as estimating the numbers. In today's class, we will learn about estimating the numbers in detail. Here I have some rupees. If it is 18 rupees, what we will say? We say 20 rupees. If it is 99 rupees, we buy many clothes, right? The clothes like 99 rupees, 999 rupees. Instead of saying that all things, if it is 99, we will just say 100 rupees. Or if it is 999 rupees, then we say 1000 rupees. I gave 1000 rupees and bought this one. We say, right? And here another one we have 949. So what we will say about this? We will say 950 rupees. If we see the ones place is 0, and if we see the first number 18 becomes 20. Here the ones place is 8 and in 20 the ones place is 0. The tens place 1 is increased by 1 more. So 1 plus 1, 2. So we have added 1 to this tens place. So we got 20. If we apply the same thing, the ones place is 9. 9 becomes 0 and the tens place having 9 added by 1 gets 10. Here 949 becomes 950. So here the ones place became 0. Tens place is added by 1. Why so? When we are estimating the numbers, if we are doing to the tens place, for example, in the first problem, the 1 is in tens place. The second one, 9 is in the tens place. In the third, 949, 4 is in the tens place. When we are estimating to the nearest tens, then we check ones place. In the ones place, if we have the numbers 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which is greater than or equals to 5. If we have these numbers in ones place, then the tens place value is added by 1. If you see in 18, 1 is added by 1. 1 plus 1 gives 2. In second one, 9 plus 1 gives 10. In the third problem, 4 is added by 1. 4 plus 1 gives 5. Here if we see the ones place is 8, 9, 9, which is greater than 5. So we have rounded off this number or we have estimated this number to the nearest 10. If we have the same 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in tens place, then the 100 place will be added by 1. Then the estimation we are doing for hundreds place. And when the estimation is for thousands place, then we check hundreds place. In the hundreds place, we check the same numbers. If the numbers are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which is greater than or equals to 5, then the tens place will be added by 1 if the estimation is for hundreds place. If the estimation for thousands place, then hundreds place we will check. Here we have another set of example. 12 will become 10, 94 will become 90, 991 will become 900, 90. What is the logic here we are using? In the previous slide we saw that the numbers in ones place were greater than or equals to 5. That's why the tens place were added by 1. But here if we see the ones place, 2, 4, 1. In 12, 2 is in ones place. In 94, 4 is in ones place. In 991, 1 is in ones place. If we see these ones place, what we can say, these numbers are less than 5. If we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, which means the numbers which is less than 5 in ones place, then the tens place will be the same, but the ones place will become 0. So if we see first example 12, 1 is same, the tens place value 1 is same, 2 has become 0. The second problem 94, 4 becomes 0, 9 is same only. So the tens place will remain same. Ones place will become 0 if the estimation is for tens place. If the estimation is for hundreds place, then tens place and ones place will become 0. If the numbers in tens place are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then the hundreds place will remain same. We will not add plus 1. We will add plus 1 if the number in the place is greater than or equals to 5. Here we are doing the comparison 5 only. If the estimation is for thousands place, then we check hundreds place. In hundreds place, if we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then the hundreds place, tens place, ones place will become 0. Thousand place will be the same. We need to remember one thing. Whenever we are doing the round off or whenever we are estimating the numbers, the answer we need to get in, like for example, if we are doing the estimation for tens, all the answer we have to get in tens only. Like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. If the estimation we are doing for 100, then the answer whatever we get, that should be in 100 only. For example, I am doing the estimation for 555. The answer I will get in hundreds only. The tens place and ones place will be 0. If the estimation is for tens place, ones place will be 0. If the estimation is for hundreds place, tens place and ones place will be 0. So the answers we get in 100, 100, 200, 300, etc. like that. If the estimation is for thousands place, the answer we get in 1000. Example 9999. We get that in 1000 only. And if the estimation is for 10,000, then we will check thousands place. If the estimation is for lakhs, then we check 10,000s place. Like that. So now let us solve some problem to understand about the estimation very clearly. Round each of the following to the nearest tens. Here the first question we have is 74. When we are doing the estimation for nearest tens, we have to check ones place. Now here the given number is 74. Here since it is tens place we are estimating, we will check ones place. Let us write the number. Now which number is in ones place? 7 or 4? 4 is in ones place. So we need to check 4. Now let us do the comparison. 4 is less than 5 or greater than 5? 4 is less than 5. So one digit is 4 and we are doing the comparison between 4 and 5. 4 is less than 5. So the tens place will be the same. Ones place will become 0, which means 7 will be the same, 4 will be 0. The answer we get is 74 will become 70 since 4 is less than 5. The rounded number to the nearest tens is 70. Before some time we said that the answers whatever we get should be in tens only. Because it is nearest to tens, the answer I get is 70. Round each of the following to the nearest tens. Again here we are doing nearest to tens. Let us write the number again. The given number is 46. Since the round off we are doing to the nearest tens, we will check ones place. In 46, 6 is in ones place. Now let us do the comparison. 6 and 5. Whenever we are doing the estimation, the comparison between 5 only. The given place value and the 5. We should only check is that equals to 5 or greater than 5. If it is greater than 5, add plus 1 to the estimated place. If it is not greater than 1 or equals to, if it is not greater than or equals to 5, then keep the estimated place same. Other place will become 0. So here 6 is greater than 5. So what we will do? 1 is added to 4. In 46, we are adding 1 to 4. So we get 5. So 46 will become 50. 1's place became 0. The 10's place is added by 1. So we get 5 as the answer. So the answer is 50. The rounded number to the nearest tens is 50. Round each of the following to the nearest hundreds. When we are doing to the nearest hundred, we need to check tens place. We need to check the previous place values. The given number is 237. So we need to check tens place. In the number, which number is in tens place? 3 is in tens place. We need to do the comparison. Here 3 is less than or greater than 5? 3 is less than 5. So keep the hundreds place same. Keep 2 same. Make 3 and 7 0. 237. So 3 is less than 5. So what we will do? 2 will be the same. 3 tens place and 1's place will be 0. The answer we get is 200. The rounded number to the nearest hundred is 200. Here we have another problem. We need to round off this number to the nearest 100 only. So let us write the given number. The given number is 681. And here also we are checking the tens place. In this problem, which number is in tens place? Here 8 is in tens place. So the tens digit is 8. We are going to compare 8 with 5. Now, which number is greater? 8 is greater than 5. So what we will do? The hundreds place. The hundreds place is 6. We will add 1 to 6. 6 plus 1 will become 7. In 681, 1 we are adding to 6. So we get 7. Tens and ones place will be 0. In estimation, we should have only zeros in other place. 681 will become 700. The rounded number to the nearest hundreds is 700. Round each of the following to the nearest 1000. When it is nearest to 1000, we will check the previous place value of 1000, which is hundreds. Now let us write the given number 4531. So it is nearest to 1000, so we will check hundreds place value. Here which number is in hundreds place? 5 is in hundreds place. In 100 digit is 5. So we need to do the comparison with 5. Whatever may be the estimation we are doing for, whether it is hundreds place or tens place or lakhs place, 10 crores place, whatever may be the place, but the comparison we are doing with 5 only, and the rules remain same for all the numbers, all the place values. Here hundreds digit is 5 and 5 is equals to 5. So what we have to do? We will add plus 1 to the thousands place, and hundreds, tens, ones place will become 0. Remember, if the estimation is in thousands, we get the answer in thousands only. In 4531, 1 is added to 4 because 5 is equals to 5. The hundreds place is equals to 5. So we are adding 1. So 1 plus 4 equals to 5. So 4531 will become 5000. The rounded number to the nearest hundreds is 5000. Now let us solve some problem. Before we start solving the problem, let us recall the rules. The rule number 1 is we need to check which place we are going to estimate. For example, if we are doing for tens place, then we will check ones place. If we are doing the estimation for hundreds place, then we will check tens place. If the estimation is for thousands place, then we will check hundreds place. If it is for 10,000 place, we will check thousands place. The previous place value we will check, and the previous place value should be less than, or if it is less than 5, then the estimated place will be the same, other place value will become 0. If it is greater than or equals to 5, then the estimation place will added by 1, the other place will become 0. Now let us solve some problems. Find the sum by estimating to the nearest 100. Here what should we do? First we need to estimate both the numbers and then we have to do the addition. So let us copy the first number, 4137. Here the estimation is for 100, so we need to check tens place. In 4137, which number is in tens place? 7 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place, 1 is in hundreds place, 4 is in thousands place. So we need to check tens place. Here the tens place value is 3. Now we have to do the comparison between 3 and 5. Now 3 is less than 5 or greater than 5? 3 is less than 5. So what we will do? 1 will be the same. 3 and 7 will become 0. The tens place and ones place will become 0. Children, you need to remember one thing. We are doing for hundreds place. We are not doing for thousands place. So here the 1000 remains same. 4100 is the answer. Here 4000 we are not touching. We are only doing the estimation for hundreds. Since 3 is less than 5, 1 will be the same. Tens and ones place will become 0. Let's copy the next number, 7605. Here, which number is in tens place? 0 is in tens place. Now, we need to do the comparison between 0 and 5. 0 is less than 5. So what we will do? We keep 6 same and tens place and ones place become 0. So the answer is 7600. Here we estimated the numbers. Now let us add both the numbers. Always we need to add the numbers from ones place. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 6, 7. 4 plus 7 is 11. So the answer is 11,700. The estimated sum to the nearest hundreds is 11,700. Second problem. Find the difference by estimating to the nearest tens. The question is asked for tens. So which place value should we check? We should check ones place. Let us copy the numbers. 537. Which number is in ones place? 7 is in ones place. Now we should do the comparison between 7 and 5. 7 is greater than 5. So the tens place 3 is added by 1. We get 540. Now in 469, which number is in ones place? 9 is in ones place. Now we will do the comparison between 9 and 5. In estimation always the comparison we do with 5. Now 9 is greater than 5. So the tens place will be added by 1. 6 plus 1, 7. So 470 is the answer. Now since we have estimated the numbers, let us find the difference. 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 7 is not possible. So if we take borrow, 14 minus 7 gives 7 as the answer. 4 minus 4 gives 0. So the answer is 70. The estimated difference to the nearest tens is 70. Third problem. Find the difference by estimating to the nearest 10,000. The place we need to estimate is 10,000. So which place should we check? We should check thousands place. In 76,945, which number is in thousands place? 6 is in thousands place. So we need to do the comparison between 6 and 5. Here 6 is greater than 5. So the tens place value will be added by 1. We will add 1 plus 7. We get 8. So we get 80,000 as the answer. 1000, 100, tens, ones place will become 0. The answer is 80,000. How we got 80,000? The 1000 place is 6, which is greater than 5. So we are adding 1 to the 10,000's place. 1 plus 7 gives 8 as the answer. 10,000 place we keep as 8. Other place values will become 0. So 76,945 will become 80,000. Now let us find the estimated value of 61,135. This is the given number. Now, which number is in thousands place? 5 in ones place, 3 is in tens place, 1 is in hundreds place, 1 is in thousands place. So, we have to check ones. Check 1. Now, we have to do the comparison between 1 and 5. 1 is less than 5. 1 is less than 5. So we keep the 10,000 place same. We keep 6 as same. Other place values will become zeros. 1, 1, 3, 5 will become 0. 6 will be the same. So we get 60,000. Now we have to find the difference. Difference means we have to do the subtraction. Now 0 minus 0, zeros. Then 8 minus 6 is 2. So we get 20,000 as the answer. The estimated difference to the nearest 10,000 is 20,000. Here we are doing the estimation for 10,000. We got the answer in 20,000. 20,000 means 2 10,000s are there. So here also we got the correct answer. Fourth one, find the product by estimating to the nearest 100. Product means we have to do the multiplication. Now let us copy the numbers. 317. Here the estimation is for hundreds place. Then we will check tens place. Here which number is in tens place? 1 is in tens place. And we do the comparison between 1 and 5. 1 is less than 5. So hundreds place will be the same. Tens place and ones place will become 0. So the answer is 300. The next number is 627. Which number is in tens place? 7 is in ones place. 2 is in tens place. So the comparison is between 2 and 5. When we compare 2 and 5, which number is greater? 5 is greater. So 2 is less than 5. So 6 remains same. Tens and ones place will become zeros. In multiplication, what we have to do? The easy method. We have 4 zeros in the problem. In 300 we have 2 zeros. In 600 we have 2 zeros. So total we have 4 zeros. We will write it in the product. 6 into 3, 18. So the answer is 18 and 4 zeros we will write in the product. So the answer is 1,80,000 is the answer. How many hundreds are there in this? 1,800 hundreds are there. The estimated product to the nearest 100 is we found out. Let us solve the next problem. Find the quotient by estimating to the nearest tens. Quotient means we have to do the division. Now the question is given 55 divided by 19. So since it is tens, we have to do the estimation to the nearest tens. We have to check ones place value. Now in 55, which number is in ones place? 5 is in ones place. So now we have to do the comparison between 5 and 5 itself. 5 is equals to 5. So the tens place will be added by 1. 5 plus 1 gives 6. Ones place will become 0. So 55 will become 60. The other number 19. So which number is in ones place? 1 or 9? 9. 9 is in ones place. So we have to do the comparison between 9 and 5. Here 9 is greater than 5. So the tens place 1 is added by 1. 1 plus 1 gives 2 as the answer. 19 becomes 20. Let us do the division now. 20, 60. 20 is the divisor, 60 is the dividend. Now in 20 table, how many times we get 60? 21s are 20, 22s 40, 23s 60. Now 60 minus 60, we get 0. So what is the quotient? 3 is the quotient. So the estimated quotient to the nearest tens is 3. Now here are some problems for you to practice the concept. I hope you will solve the problem. For more videos, subscribe to my channel, click the bell button and hit the like. Thank you. See you in the next video.